Words fall out of my mouth, they drift to the ground and they don't make a sound. I'll try to sample them back to the place in my head, but I feel that I lie. The proper speak that I need to narrate the scene, to tell you these things. The proper place for my thoughts. I know that I'm not, you know that I'm not. So clear and transparent, well I'll try, but I can't promise it. So dark but delicate when I ride around the edges, and you can try to smooth me down, but I'm not, no I'm not. You can try to smooth me down, but I'm not ready to forget. You can try to smooth me down, but I'm not, no I'm not. You can try to smooth me down, but I'm not ready to forget. To pretend, but the best part of me is the worst I can get. But you make me so terrified. I tried to reply, but I'm shaking inside. You gave me a tongue just to tie. I'll swallow my pride if you swear not to lie. Hard to read and hard